Maximus Analysis here for June 6th, 2016, and we had a huge move today, breaking out to some new highs for 2016, and we have to see them hold the levels of 2093. Okay, 2093, 2082, we don't want them to revisit anytime this week. We want to continue to the upside. You see that there's some volume here. Yes, it's at the tail end, but we don't want them to revisit the 2082 area. If they continue to the upside, again, they could look at 2135 as potential upside potential. We'll also look at the weekly time frame for the ES, and we could see that again the volume is, like I pointed down, is hard. You can't verify anything in regards to the volume because the week has just started. So we'll continue to watch where they go for the week. But again, the bulls have continued to hold all the pivots that we have talked about. And even when they broke them, they defended them well. So again, it's just a matter of saying, okay, we don't want them to see, of course, 2080 again. And we definitely can't see them have 2022 again for the ES. NQ, again, this is the one that we kind of got to be a little bit aware of, but it looks like as far as probabilities, it looks like if they could continue and break out to the upside, they would definitely be in a better situation. Again, the lower highs are still in place, being from here to here, but again, the week is very early. But if you look on the weekly chart, again, you have to say, all right, we had very low volume last week. Where are we going to go? Are we going to break back below 4480? We have to continue to watch that. Okay. YM, again, that they're going to be looking at on the daily time frame, holding that 17,500 area. Again, it just looks like a nice bull flag currently, and we'll continue to watch that one. The CL, right now we're looking at if they can break above these highs, are they going to go to potentially test 53.53? Again, we don't want them to retest these lows and get below at 46.47. Okay, let's look at some equity names, and we had Netflix, which didn't participate that much today. Very small candle, very indecision day, and still hovering around that $100 level. Again, is this a bull flag for more upside potential going to break this 200? We'll continue to see, but on a day so powerful, we didn't see any participation from them, and we also didn't see any participation from Google, which was actually down today about $6. Yeah, about $6. So it's going to retest that 200-day. And it's been trading this channel. If you can see it from here, you can see that they've been trading this channel from here to here. So again, are they going to hold the bottom of this channel for more upside potential? We'll continue to watch, but we don't want them to break below this and come and test this 200-day, because then we have a lot of white space underneath there. The one that did make up a lot of movement for the was price line was up $50. Like, I did not see this coming in any way, shape, or form, and I will definitely not be a lion sack to say I thought they were going to come back, because looking at the weekly time frame, I thought they were actually going to break down for more downside potential. Now, again, this is still the first day of the week, so again, where they close is very important. But I thought this was sideways. Again, I know that this was some big resistance, but because they closed down so hard and gapped down on the earnings, I thought it was more bearish. But again, until they take out these highs, it still could be the case, but it's a better bull story. It's just really choppy. But that was like the huge mover for the day. And again, we'll go back to the typical names for day trading, which is MGT. And again, you see the volume has sucked itself dry, so leave that one alone. What I did see was, what is it, AMNY, I believe? Or is it HMNY? Yes, so HMNY, you see a lot of volume step in for this one for the first day. And, looking at this, you could see why this is perked up in a lot of people's eyes. A lot of people might have shorted the parabolic move from $10, which again is probably a really high probability trade. And right now, you want to see where this volume is going to go. Are you going to get another gap up, or are you going to get where you're going to go. Again, this is a day trading vehicle, so then a lot of people are trading this on a smaller time frame, 2-minute, 3-minute, 5-minute. So again, this is just one that I saw, and I saw high volumes, so maybe put it on your watch list if you are a day trader, to day trade some shares and see what it does tomorrow. Because again, when you have some volume like this and you don't even, I mean, when have you seen any volume? I mean, look at it. So is this some breaking out to, I'm still not seeing any volume remotely close to that. So again, just continue to look at it, because it might be a day trading name. Now, day trading is completely different than what I show typically, but at least this gives you a candidate that is a low dollar name, so you can take a 30, 40, 20, 30 cent stop and kind of just go from there. So I mean, again, it's all dependent on price. I'm not telling you what to do. You got a day trader on your own. Be a grown up. Put on your big boy drawers, big boy panties for the woman. So again, don't take it as, oh, I got in something and you said 30 cents was my stop. No, you have to do your own analysis tomorrow. And this is day trading, so you have to be very, very flexible intraday in regards to that. So again, we'll see what they look like tomorrow, and hell of a way to start the week. And I think again, Janet Yellen dismissed the really, really bad job numbers on Friday, so that probably coerced everything to the upside. But we have our levels that we want to continue to hold on the ES, and we'll continue to watch them. So take care, and we'll see what the week brings. It started off with fireworks, I'll tell you that.